So that means new guidelines for Huntsville City students and staff as they start the second semester with COVID cases on the rise.
Yeah, and Wait 31's Ashley Carter joins us live right now to break down exactly what is changing and what's staying the same. Good morning to you, Ashley.
Good morning, Chris. Well, as you just mentioned, the biggest change that students are going to see when entering into school today is that everyone is going to be required to wear masks. Now, while that is changing, there is one thing specifically that's not changing for students that's changing for everyone else, and that is the quarantine guidelines from the CDC. Now, the CDC says that you would have to isolate for 5 days if you contract COVID, if you test positive for coronavirus but aren't showing any symptoms. The State Department of Public Health says this does not apply to students. The recommendation is still a 2-week quarantine if you test positive for the virus.
This applies to the general population, but does not apply to schools. It does not apply to healthcare facilities. It does not apply to other congregate settings. They are working on additional specific guidance for those groups.
The timeline on when the guideline could change for students is not yet available. But in the meantime, health leaders say wearing a mask as well as getting your child vaccinated if they are eligible are some of the best methods of defense against the virus. Live in Huntsville, Ashley Carter, Wait 31 News.